I'm going to react to the video.
Wait, oh fuck. Oh no, I guess we are dead.
Then who's going to win?
Breezy and the lemons.
Oh yes.
I have no ammo.
I have the gun.
Oh really, you have the gun?
Yes, I do have the gun.
Fire now.
Fire now.
I have no ammo too. I need a shotgun. I have the shotgun.
Bro, do you have the shotgun?
Yes, I have the shotgun.
They're coming, fire now.
I have no ammo again.
I have no ammo again, bro. And also, do you have no ammo on your shotgun?
Yes, I also have no ammo.
I have no ammo too much again.
Me also. You better move now.
Bro, I have no ammo. What about all you guys?
Me also, I have no ammo.
And me too, I have no ammo because of this happened.
Bro, are you sure that's it?
Yes.
We all both out of ammo.
And me also, I have no ammo.
Get out now! I have no ammo now, but now I have all no idea.